Channel. Today we're playing Bees Run. My goal is to get 25 bees. Yesterday, like for the past 3 hours, I was getting honey, wasting it, and buying stuff. And look, I got new boots. And I can jump higher. And this is awesome. My goal is to get 25 bees. Right now I have 23. So I'll need to save up 2 million again. And don't look at my honey. If you look at it, yes, you will laugh. Would you laugh? You can talk if you know.
Oh yeah. And
don't forget to shout out and subscribe to my channel.
if you haven't subscribed already.
If you haven't subscribed already.
And if you're new, hello.
I can't be embarrassed right now.
Don't you have any black bear quests?
I have no oh, I forgot this.
Defeat 4 spiders.
I'm a lot full now. The last time I didn't have these new shoes and I didn't have this honey dipper. I'm going to go and get the ants and give away one ant pass so I can do the ants challenge.
Can you give the ant pass to me?
You can't sell ant pass, Excel.
Oh.
And even if you could, you couldn't use it. Even if you could, you can't use it. You need 20 bees.
Are you still friends with Nikki Capsule?
Yeah. And last time I made a password and for my Leah account and it didn't save it. I was like, bruh. And I might need to make a part 4 of this.
Yeah, do some parkour.
I said a part 4.
Is this part 3?
Part 1. Because this will take a long time. And I'll post it on YouTube. But maybe I'll do it off camera. Because I do lots of things off camera.
Shout outs to Dino.
And don't forget to follow me and Dino Bro. My username is Epic Junior 56. And my friend's Dino and my friend's YouTuber is Dino 211. I think
Username you mean, not YouTuber.
I said username.
And don't forget to follow me on Roblox if you haven't already.
Her account is Rihanna and then _diamonds.
With 2 S's at the end and uppercase R and D. It'll be in the descriptions.
And if you want a chance to win one of my 300 billion subs, yeah, that's right.
You have to
tell your username and friend me in the Discord. In the comments.
Discord. You don't even have Discord.
In the comments.
Yeah, the first person to say that they want that pet with another free pet.
Not with another free pet.
Okay, with that pet they get that the 300 million serpent.
And the person who probably
the very first person. So this video's new.
This should take forever. Wow, these new shoes give me honey. Can't you see?
They do?
Yeah. That's why I'm making money.
Honey.
What starts with an M and ends with a Y?
Don't ask me.
It's very easy.
M. Money.
And
It starts with an M, ends with a Y.
yeah, there's
What?
2 and mine.
Oh,
That was so easy.
maybe for you, but not for me.
No.
Yeah, there's going to be an iron heart.
Yeah, you saw nothing. But that was good. At least I have my honey now, so that you guys won't be
The
laughing. at
M
my
pass
honey.
gives you that.
Yeah. Let me help this person.
So the Victoria's Secret Tropic Heat perfume. Oh, sorry, I was talking to myself, guys.
And I didn't say that was my sister.
Yeah, it was me.
It was my sister, Excel.
Nikki. It's Nikki.
Well, I can call you any name.
I know.
This is in Cactus Field, huh? The person thinks I don't help. I'll just do it for the money. I'll wait until the versus B is dead, and then I'll end it, and then I'll come. I'll come at people was fighting to kill it. Why would someone said Ender just made a poop goal? Oh, versus B is attacked. Oh, until it was defeated. And then Thanos called me at what? Oh my gosh. For Thanos to kill me, Spider-Man. What the heck? I have no idea what that says, but okay.
What time
Hello.
is it?
What time is it? It's 3:49.
It's our vacation.
And I posted like 2 hours ago.
I think there's going to be a storm. It's so windy outside.
Oh, they're outside.
Those kids.
Yeah. Everyone is coming to our help. We need more people. The versus bees like Thanos. That's all the.
Weaker.
Yeah, I know.
Level 1.
Level 7 versus B.
It's level 7.
Yeah.
How much health would the level 1 have?
Like it would have like 2,500 or
Wow,
something.
that's a lot.
No, that's weak. You can kill that like in 5 seconds.
Me with
No,
my
I mean
bees?
you. No, not with yours. I mean you can kill that like in a minute or something. Oh yeah. What? Okay.
You're not getting any credit.
I did.
Let's see that we read books. And we rested. What? Oh, sorry guys. I was just talking to myself.
And you should remember. Oh. You know.
I'm playing with Clay right now.
Are you talking to you?
No, I'm talking to them. We can eat the chips later, okay?
Okay. I got so much money. Let me count how much. I have 23 bees and can almost use the biggest cannon.
Wait, don't you have enough to buy another bee?
Another bee.
Yeah.
If you see the money, you will be so surprised.
Money of what?
Look.
Chineke!
That was my sister that said that because I don't say Quincy stuff like that. But okay, let's try making this spot, this world moon spot grow. I think it's a moon spot. Oh, this is taking forever. 1 hour later. Why am I not talking? Oh, I mean, I couldn't finish this, but bye. I might get more honey later. Bye.